civil authority has issued local area emergency for the following counties or areas: Greenville, Pickens, South Carolina, at 2:15 p.m. on March 26, 2025, effective until 7:15 p.m. This is a message from the Greenville and Pickens County Emergency Management. There is a mandatory evacuation in effect for residents in the areas of east of the Greenville watershed, Table Rock RD, west of River Falls RD, and Wesleyan Camp. There is a wildfire shelter located at Marietta First Baptist Church at 2936 Greer Highway, Marietta, South Carolina 29661. These evacuations will be in effect until further notice. If you need further information, call the Public Information Phone System at 864-467-3428. Monitor local media for updates. If you cannot evacuate, call 911.